Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is brought to you by SuperbWigs. Thank you so much, SuperbWigs, for sending over this beautiful curly bob. So the details on this bob, this one is DORA Swiss lace, and this is the Hide the Knot 13x6 curly short bob. And this cap construction is a 13x6 lace front wig. It has a hair density of 150, and the cap size is medium, 22.5 inches, and the length is 16 inches. So I went ahead and cut the lace off. I added my lace tint spray, and this is in medium brown, and this one is from Ebin. I'll leave a link down below where you can grab this off of Amazon. I'm using my freeze spray just to hold my edges back. If you're curious how I got my red hair, I do have a video up on my channel about this, so you can definitely check that out as well. Then I just put a black cap on. The knots do come pre-bleached and pre-plucked, so you don't have to worry about that. And as you can see, the hairline is really nice, and it blends well with, you know, just a natural shape of a hairline. So this wig is pretty much ready to go straight out the pack. I was actually pretty impressed. I've worked with SuperbWigs before in the past, but this was years and years ago. I haven't tried one of their wigs in quite a minute, but I was impressed with this one. I liked it. I ended up using the Wig Dealer's Lace Melt Spray. I love this spray. It just makes putting on your wig just for the day really easy and effortless. It's not too like gunky. I feel like sometimes got to be hairspray, the got to be free spray can get a little gunky, but this one does pretty well. If it does ever get like ashy or gunky, you can always just add like a gloss over it, and that'll usually take away that sticky type of look. Here I'm using the precision rat tail comb from my company GLEEmade. I love these because it kind of helps you just lay down your lace without touching it with your fingers too much. A lot of times I notice when I touch it too much with my fingers, it kind of creates more buildup and residue. So I really like using this rat tail comb for that. And then also, as you can see, when you need to like pull hairs out or do anything else, the rat tail comb is really great. I also use my blow dryer. This is the Yellow Bird by Conair. I've had this blow dryer for years. It's actually time for me to get a new one, but this is a great blow dryer. It gets really hot, although for this you don't use it on hot, you use it on cool. But I've talked about this blow dryer before. I absolutely love it, and it's only like $30 or $40, and I've literally had it for years. So once everything is kind of in place and laid down where I want it, before I add my elastic band, I go ahead and pull out some baby hairs and just go ahead and cut my ear tabs. You want to make sure that your ear is exposed. That's going to give you a more realistic look. I don't always do this step perfectly. I'm still figuring out this step, to be quite honest, but sometimes I get it right, and on this wig I think I kind of like how it came out. So yeah. So this is the GLEEmade wig melt band. It's a soft elastic band that's an inch wide. I love this one because it's nice and soft, and it doesn't leave any, you know, indentation around your head or anything like that because it is soft. This is available on my website, so you can definitely grab that on GLEEmade.com. I went ahead and started finger combing the wig and just cut off the scraggly ends. I didn't cut any length off of this wig, but I did want it to have more of a blunt cut look, so I just went ahead and cut it straight across, no layers or anything like that. Then I went ahead and detangled the wig with a nice wide tooth comb. I love that this hair is so soft and so pretty. It was so easy to detangle and work with. I was definitely impressed with the quality on this wig. So once I combed it out and detangled it, I did just want to give it another blunt trim, and then I went ahead and started adding water. I just used my regular water bottle that I always use, drenched the hair in water, and then I went ahead and add the GLEEmade mousse on top of it. The styling mousse is really great from GLEEmade. It defines your curls and it also helps for faster drying and more definition. So yeah, I'll come back and let you guys know my final thoughts. So I went ahead and grabbed my GLEEmade Edge Control and my GLEEmade baby hair brush, and I went ahead and styled my baby hairs and my edges, and that's pretty much all I had to do for this wig. It's very easy to look beautiful. I love how easy it is to style. This is a very beginner friendly unit, and I would absolutely recommend it because of the hair quality and how easy it is to style. Alright you guys, so this is the end result. I am super pleased with it. I love how this wig turned out. It's exactly how I envisioned it. Just a really pretty blunt cut that I can just push my hair back behind my ears. Very effortless, easy to wear unit. I feel like I could wear this pretty much anywhere. You can dress it up, dress it down, but it really is a great everyday look, especially going into the fall. I think maybe I'll add a few like brown highlights, or maybe turn the entire wig into like a chocolate brown color. I think that would be beautiful for fall as well. If you guys want to check out this wig, I'll have links down below where you can definitely hit up Superb Hair and check this one out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you share this video, share it with a friend, share it with a wig lover, share this video with your mama. Peace.